lost, is it? No.
Yes, Stella.
Well, I see you boys are at it again.
Where y'all been?
Blanche and I went to a show. Blanche, this is Mitch.
Nice to meet you.
No, don't get up.
No one's getting up, so don't worry.
Drunk animal of you. Everyone, go home. If one of you has one spark of decency in you, stop, watch out, Heath.
Take it easy, Sam. You need somebody and I need somebody too. Could it be me and you, Blanche?
There's God so quickly.
Oh, so you want some rough house, do ya? Well, I'll rough house a little bit. Tiger.
No,
Drop the bottle! Drop it!
stop, no!
No!
Stanley, you goof. That was such a bad thingy.
There it is! Hey!
Wait, what?
You say, Stella, watch out, and then you say...
I thought I did that before he did that.
Yeah, you do that
I just got up. I don't do
But then you
anything.
Stella, watch out,
You didn't even get up.
No, you're just supposed to get up.
Oh my God.
Easy, bro. No, watch out,
Stand easy, man.
I'll be like that. I'll push you down.
And I'll be like...
I look. Hold on.
Evan!
Why are you doing this?
Because I'm not in any of it. I just want to
How
be
lucky
fun.
are you? That's it. Alright. So, like, you gotta really get in it. Okay. Alright. Close the doors enough. Close the doors enough.
No, Million, put your tongue back on.
Wait.
Go.